Hi everyone, here I am going to discuss about addition reactions. So let us learn what is addition reactions. So here I have taken a simple alkene, that is ethene. This is the simplest alkene, that is ethene. Okay, ethene contains 2 carbon with the multiple bond. So now see, here there is multiple bond, that is 1 sigma bond and 1 pi bond. And this pi bond is a weak bond and it can break easily. So here see, whenever there is multiple bond, there is always a chance of undergoing addition reactions. Okay, so we have this. Always remember that whenever there is multiple bond in the product side, change it into single bond. So multiple bond has changed into single bond. Okay, now this pi bond has broken and it has split into 2 parts. Okay, pi bond can break. So what is our reagent here? Our reagent is H and Br. So I'll keep here one H and one Br here. Okay, and H is added here to one carbon and Br is added to the other carbon. So this is our product. So let us compare the reactant and a product. In the reactant side, there is multiple bond. In the product side, it has changed into single bond. Okay, initially there is only two. Initially there is CH2 double bond CH2. Now some extra new element has came and added here. So this is called what? Extra came, we have added. So this is called addition reaction. So this is the simplest form of the addition reaction. Now let us talk about another compound, that is CH3 CH bond double bond CH2. Now when we talk about this alkene, and the name is propene, 1 2 3 3 is called prop. Okay, propene, prop 1 in, so it is propene. Now let us do the same reactions here. Okay, so let us see what are the changes it occurs. Now see what I told, that whenever there is multiple bond on the reactant side, there will be always chance of getting converted into single bond. So CH3 CH double bond was there, we have converted into single bond. Now CH2, now it will split into 2 bond. Okay, so we have to look on this multiple bonded carbon. Okay, multiple bonded carbon C. Okay, now it has split into 2. Now some of you may write here Br, or some of you may write H here, some of you may write okay, so that means either it can be Br here. Okay, let me give the example. Let me write Br here and H here. Okay, so this are product. Now see what now we have to know in this case of alkene, the difference between this alkene and this alkene is that this is called symmetrical alkene. That means we can divide it into 2 equal halves. But in this case of alkene, say we cannot divide it into 2 equal halves. This is called unsymmetrical alkene. So in the case of unsymmetrical alkene, or in case of unsymmetrical compound, multiple bonds, the addition of the reagent, the negative part of this reagent, see the negative part is Br here, will go to the carbon atom of the double bond. Okay, of the multiple bond, double bond, it can be triple bond also, of the multiple bond containing less number of hydrogen. So compare this and this, which one contain less hydrogen? These carbons contain less hydrogen, so the negative part will go to the carbon containing less number of hydrogen, and hydrogen will go to the more number of carbon, to the carbon containing more number of hydrogen. So this is called your Markownikoff's rule. Okay, so this reaction is called our addition reaction, because as we compared from the reactant to product side, see some new elements is added. So this is called addition reactions. Okay, in addition reactions, multiple bond change into single bond, and in case of unsymmetrical alkene, we have to follow the Markownikoff's rule, which states that the negative part of the reagent will add to the carbon atom of the multiple bond or double bond, which contain less number of hydrogen. Compare this and this contain less hydrogen, so Br adds here. So this is according to the Markownikoff's rule. Now let me take another example. CH3 twice C, same. Okay, HBr. See, I think now you can give your product. So what I told, whenever there is multiple bond, change it into single bond CH3. Do not disturb the structure here whatever there, CH3 thrice, multiple bond change into single bond, CH2, and this will split into, will have a bond this in this way, and the negative part is this one will go to the carbon atom of the double bond which is containing less hydrogen. See, this carbon does not contain any hydrogen now. This carbon contain 2 hydrogen. So this, in this carbon it will go BRH. Okay, so this is according to the Markownikoff's rule. So Markownikoff's rule is an addition reactions, and it is about the addition reactions of unsymmetrical alkenes. Okay, in case of symmetrical there is no problem. In case of unsymmetrical, we have to follow the Markownikoff's rule. So this is according to Markownikoff's rule, this is the one. Okay, so we have another that is which is against Markownikoff's, that is also called anti-Markownikoff's. So we will discuss it on the next class.